Once again, savings rates are going crazy, so let's take a look at what's going on and where you can find the best rates for your savings. Because we're all about getting you good deals and savings, click here or in the description below for the latest bank switch deals and bonuses. Any money you make from one of those, you could pop in one of these high interest accounts and earn a little extra interest on that too. It all adds up. As always, give the channel some love and subscribe, and let's get into the best savings rates. In a nutshell, at the beginning of August, the Bank of England base rate was cut from 4.25% to 4%, which means we're likely to see a lot of banks and providers also lowering their interest rates accordingly. When it comes to my savings, I'm thinking now could be a good time to shop around to find the best rate. And I'm particularly interested in fixed rate deals where you can guarantee that interest rate for a set amount of time, hopefully for as long as a year. The only thing to watch with fixed rate accounts, particularly fixed rate regular savers, is what access you get to your savings. Some allow maybe 3 withdrawals a year, and if you go over that, then you get a lower interest rate. And some might not allow any withdrawals at all before the 12 months is up. So be mindful of what you need your savings for before chucking them in one of these accounts. I usually start this video with instant access savers, but today I'm going to start with regular savers, as a bunch of these offer some of the highest fixed rates at the moment. Top contenders here are First Direct, Virgin Money and Club Lloyds, all with top rates and fixed for a year. The main thing to consider here is how much you're going to save over that year. Club Lloyds lets you deposit up to £4,800, whereas the other two accounts are much lower. If you're going to save less than £3,600 in a year, then First Direct is the obvious choice. All of these savers require you to have a current account with the bank, and it's worth mentioning that Club Lloyds accounts come with a Club Lloyds fee and extra account fees for the Platinum and Silver accounts. However, the Club Lloyds fee is waived if you pay in at least £2,000 each month, which would make the Club Lloyds standard account free. If you're wondering about the 7.5% from Principality Building Society, yes, that is the highest rate at the moment and fixed, but it is only for 6 months on balances up to £1,200, so probably only suited to someone who wants a quick, short-term boost on savings less than £1,200. SOPA and Co-op are also offering rates around or above 7%, but these are variable rates and so could change throughout the year. Surprisingly, instant and easy access rates haven't dropped as much as I thought they would have, but we do have a slightly new top list. Unfortunately, all of these involve some kind of variable or variable tracker rates, which means it tracks the base rate, and so could easily change. And where there's a boosted rate, so here with Chase, Chip and Tesco, be aware of the underlying rate. Chip, for example, drops down to below 3% after 3 months. And Chase and Chip boosters are for new customers only. The one that catches my eye here is the Tesco Internet Saver, because that rate includes a fixed bonus of 3.05% for 12 months, which is like 3 times the underlying rate. So that account could give you more stability over your savings rate in the long term compared to the other higher rate accounts. A lot of cash ISA rates have dropped, but there are still some decent options here. Again, these are largely variable rates, so could drop throughout the year. Plum offers a boost for 12 months, after which the rate drops below 4%, so keep that in mind for your long-term savings. Chip's booster is again for 3 months and only for new customers. Virgin isn't the highest rate, but it is fixed for 12 months, so could end up beating out the other accounts if their rates drop. The caveat with this account is that you will be charged a fee for withdrawing your money, whereas the others pretty much all offer unlimited free withdrawals. But if you don't need the cash, this account could be worth it for the fixed rate. Again, the Tesco account catches my eye with a 3.03 fixed booster for 12 months, which at the very least gives you some stability over the other accounts, even if the rate is lower. Where every little interest rate counts, I wanted to take a look at some investing apps also offering interest rates on uninvested cash. And some of these rates are as high or higher than the instant access and cash ISA rates. Investing can be a great way to beat inflation, and historically investment returns have been better than savings rates in the UK. So if you're looking to do more with your money through investing, it also makes sense to earn a little interest on the money sitting in your account before you invest it. I have to say here that investing does come with the risk that you could lose parts or all of your investment, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. And the way these interest earning accounts work is by investing your uninvested cash in low risk funds. So it is slightly different from a traditional interest earning account, but however unlikely or small that level of risk is, it's still something to bear in mind. Disclaimers done, here are the apps offering decent interest rates. Bear in mind, even if there are no platform fees, there may be additional fees attached to these accounts. IG, for example, comes with quarterly fees of 24 quid if you don't make a certain amount of trades. The other benefit to these accounts is that a lot of them are offering free stocks and shares at the moment, and you can see all of those offers here, like getting up to £100 in fractional shares with Trading 212. Or click the link here or in the description below to find out more. Okay, so those are all the top savings rates and deals for this month. For more information and all the links to our free cash deals, offers, and free stocks and shares, check out the links in the description below. As always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next month for the best savings rates. Bye guys.